What if analyzing your data was as easy as chatting with a friend? Imagine uploading a messy spreadsheet, asking simple questions in plain English, and instantly getting charts, predictions, and insights. I'm Samantha from Next AI Vault, and in this video, I'll walk you through Julius AI, your new personal data analyst, powered by artificial intelligence. Let's start from the top. Julius AI is an AI-powered data analysis platform that makes working with data faster, easier, and a whole lot more accessible, even if you've never written a line of code. You simply upload your files, like Excel, CSV, or even PDFs, ask questions in everyday language, and Julius will analyze the data for you using Python or R under the hood. It's built for speed, clarity, and smart decision-making, with powerful integrations from GPT-4 to Claude and beyond. Now let's talk features. First up, conversational data analysis. You don't need to know Python or R, just ask in plain English, like, what's the average sales by region? Julius writes and runs the code for you. Automated data visualizations, bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, even animated GIFs, all created in seconds. Advanced statistical analysis. From forecasting and regression to significance testing, Julius has you covered. Data cleaning and transformation. Got missing values or messy data? Julius can clean, format, and prep it all. Multi-model power. It integrates with GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and more, giving you a powerhouse under the hood. And everything is visible, editable, and transparent. So, who's using Julius? A business manager might use it to track KPIs and build executive dashboards. A researcher could analyze academic data and visualize trends for a paper. Financial analysts can forecast market trends, while marketers review campaign performance. Even students solving math or science problems can use it. The real benefit? You save hours of manual analysis, reduce human error, and focus on decision-making, not spreadsheet wrestling. Julius AI is perfect for anyone who works with structured data, especially if you're not a coder. Data analysts, researchers, small business owners, marketers, financial professionals, even students. If you want answers from your data fast, Julius is built for you. Good news, there's a free tier. You get up to 15 messages a month using the most advanced AI model. Paid plans start around $20 per month, with higher limits, team features, and longer file storage windows. It's flexible based on how often and how deeply you want to analyze your data. Compared to ChatGPT's data analysis tools, Julius is much more focused. It handles larger file sizes, up to 32 GB, and comes with pre-built workflows, deeper statistical tools, and code in both Python and R. Unlike tools like DeepNote, which are code-heavy, Julius is all about no-code simplicity, perfect for beginners or busy professionals who just want insights. Now, no tool is perfect. Julius's free plan is quite limited, and 15 messages go quickly. Some users report that the AI occasionally misinterprets complex questions. And if you're on a lower-tier plan, your files get deleted after an hour of inactivity. Not ideal for long-term projects. Also, it works best with clean tabular data, so unstructured documents might require extra work. Here are a few tips to get the most from Julius. Be clear and specific with your prompts. The better your question, the better the result. Clean your data a bit before uploading for the best analysis. Use the pre-saved workflows for common tasks like forecasting or trend analysis. Want to learn? Toggle the code view to see exactly what Python or R Julius is using. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine uploading a CSV of monthly sales. You ask, which region grew fastest over the last quarter? And bam! You get a color-coded line chart with growth trends and a text summary explaining it. Simple, fast, and powerful. So, is Julius AI worth it? If you work with data and you want answers without wrestling with formulas or writing code, it's a game changer. From cleaning data to visualizing it and even building forecasts, Julius saves time, reduces complexity, and makes analysis way more accessible. Try it out for free at Julius.ai and let us know what you think in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next AI tool breakdown. Until next time, stay smart with your data.